Let's see what it's like to have a new baby in the family. You're gonna have so much fun with him. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. You're so cute. You're so cute. Welcome to the